Honorable organizers and all Indian citizens, myself Hirve Prachi Sunil. I am 16-year-old student of Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. Since I am representing my views on how can women become physically and mentally capable. Women, I just want to know that have you ever experienced whenever you will try to do something hard work, 99% of people by whom you are surrounded will start questioning on your capabilities. They think that you can't do your work only because you are woman. They think you are not able to handle those difficulties or those odds and the critical situations where your physical and mental strength is required. I just want to tell you, what does people think about you, it doesn't matter. But what does you think about you, it's matter. Because this judgmental society is just trying to make you mentally weak. Because they know how strong you are, and when you will try to fight against that odd, you will be unstoppable. So just be mentally strong. Even the Indian constitutions have gave us the gender equality right. But it's the sad reality of today's humankind that somewhere that's rights are freezed and you are just born to melt them. So parents, I just want to ask you, did you think that whatever your son can, your daughter can't? Do you think that your son can increase your generation? Do you think that your son can support you financially at your old age and also can handle all the expense, can afford all the expense? What do you need? Then why didn't you think that your daughter can also afford all those expense? Just give her her right. Whatever education you are giving to your son, she also deserves the equal. Give equal love and affection to both. Taught them to respect each other. Since I also know that daughters are close to their father and sons are close to their mother. Father taught your girl the lesson of Jhansi's Queen Rani Lakshmibai, and mother taught your boy the lessons of Jijau, which have been taught to Shivaji. Whenever the physical and mental violence take place in our society, the worldwide sentence is spoken by all the peoples that now we need once again the Jijau Shiva. But for that, we must want to create the woman like Jijau. And just leave your daughter or your sister to fight against the odds of this society. Because now it's her time to fight for herself. And let me tell you that human's right is woman's right. Therefore, give them equal rights. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you for listening my speech carefully.